welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Zivis and I'm back with another video. So I'm just coming back from the market and I'm about cooking stir-fry pasta, and I'm like, why don't I just show you guys how I do this? Okay, like this is going to be you guys cooking with me. I don't know how it's going to be like. I've never done this type of video before, but I hope it goes on well. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Bye bye. I'm going to be using to cook. I'm going to start off with meat, curry powder. This is thyme and white pepper. This is blended ginger, garlic and pepper. Blended tomatoes, a little bit of blended tomatoes, just a little bit. Oil, onions and green pepper, and then some cubes. So I'm starting off with washed meat. Okay, so I've been watching a lot of food channels, and I go through the comments and some people are like, oh, you wash your meat. Like, I don't find it funny. Like, how do you even start cooking without washing your meat? So let's just get into the cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and boil my meat, and while boiling I'm going to add a little bit of my ginger and garlic and cubes plus salt. So to boil my pasta, I'm starting off with boiled water, and then I'm going to add salt to taste, and then I just split my pasta into two, and then I'm putting that into the boiled salty water. Okay, I'm just spreading that just to make sure I don't have any gummy pasta, just to make sure my pasta doesn't come out gummy. Then I'll close up the pot so it can boil. Then for my meat, I'm just going to put my meat into the pot and then add my garlic and ginger and pepper blend, then add some cubes and salt, add a little bit of water, and just allow that to boil. So after about, let me say, 5 minutes, I just go ahead to check on how my pasta is doing. I take a fork and I just try to stir just to make sure my pasta doesn't come out gummy. So I do this just to make sure my pasta isn't gummy or they don't stick to each other. Meat is still boiling. So when my pasta is ready, I'm going to go ahead and remove that, put into a strainer just to make sure I remove all the water in the pasta. You don't want water to be in your pasta. Then I'll go ahead to chop my meat into small pieces and then go ahead to fry, okay, to give it a brown color. Then after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and fry my onions and my green pepper in a different pot. I'm just going to go ahead and stir. So I'm going to add my tomato paste and I'm going to fry that for a few minutes just to remove the sour taste of the tomatoes. Then I'll add up my ginger, pepper and garlic blend, and then add my curry powder, and then add my thyme and white pepper. Then after, I'm going to add some cubes and I'm just adding and tasting. Okay, you want to add and taste. Then I'll go ahead and add my meat. I'm so sorry guys, I lost the footage of me adding my spaghetti to that mixture. So I just make sure that I mix the spaghetti to get into the sauce properly well in even proportion, and that is it for this video guys. That is my stir fry spaghetti or jollof spaghetti. So guys, that's it for this video. I am running out of battery, like my phone is almost dying. So I feel like I didn't show you guys everything, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'm just going to taste the food right now. I really hope this tastes good. Wow guys, this is so yummy. Like, it's so nice. I wish you guys could have a taste of it. Chef numero 1. and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.